Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let's see how to solve this cubic equation. If it is given that one root is equal to half of the sum of the remaining roots. First, let us analyze. Let us find out the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots taken two at a time, and product of the roots. Now let alpha comma beta comma gamma be the roots of this given cubic equation. Okay. Now what is sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Okay. What is coefficient of x square here? You see beside x square what is there? 81. So that's why I wrote 81 here. And what is coefficient of x cube? It's 18. So that's why I have 18 here. And 9 twos are 9 nines are. So that's why I'll get minus 9 by 2. Okay. Next. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus 9 by 2. This I'm marking it as my equation 1. Now, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is nothing but coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Okay. What is coefficient of x? Beside x, what is there? 121. So that's why here I have 121. And beside x cube, what do I have? 18. Okay. You cannot, you don't have any common factor here. So that's why just keep it as it is. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is 121 by 18. Mark it as equation 2. Now, product of the roots. Alpha beta gamma is nothing but minus of constant divided by coefficient of x cube. Constant divided by coefficient of x cube. What is my constant? It is 60. Okay. And then what is my coefficient of x cube? 18. So minus 60 by 18. And 6 threes are 6 tens are. So that's why I'm left out with minus 10 by 3. Okay. Now the basic analysis is done. Like we found out whatever we could. Now the next condition. Okay. And this I took it as like minus 10 by 3 third equation. Here it is given that one root is equal to half of the sum of the remaining roots. Okay. What are my roots? What did I take them? Alpha, beta and gamma. So what I'm going to take is I'm going to take that alpha is equal to half of beta plus gamma. Alpha is equal to half of beta plus gamma. Let alpha is equal to half of beta plus gamma. So send this 2 here. So I'd get 2 alpha is equal to beta plus gamma. And this is my equation 4. Okay. Now from equation 1, if you remember, sum of the roots I got it as this minus 9 by 2. Now, what is beta plus gamma? It is 2 alpha right now you're saying. So that's why alpha plus 2 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2, and this I got like from 4. So what is alpha plus 2 alpha? 3 alpha. So 3 alpha is equal to minus 9 by 2. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So ultimately alpha will be minus 3 by 2. I got one of the roots. Now next. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in 4. So from 4, beta plus gamma is nothing but 2 alpha. Alpha is nothing but minus 3 by 2. So 2 into minus 3 by 2 will be minus 3. So that's why I got beta plus gamma as minus 3. In fact, you could see it like this also. If you send 2 here, 2 alpha is minus 3. So beta plus gamma is 2 alpha, which is nothing but minus 3. Now next. From 3, the product of the roots. I got alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta gamma as 10 by 3. Okay, I got alpha beta gamma as 10 by 3. Wait. Okay, I'm sorry. It's actually minus 10 by 3. In the first thing there is a mistake. Only in the first one. After that, it's all correct. So alpha beta gamma is minus 10 by 3. Okay, alpha beta gamma is minus 10 by 3. Next, after that, it's correct. Now next. Alpha is what? Minus 3 by 2. Alpha is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Into beta gamma is equal to minus 10 by 3. Okay. As I mentioned, this should be minus 10 by 3. It came out as 10 by 3. Sorry for that. Next. Send this minus 3 by 2 to the other side. So beta gamma would be equal to minus 10 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. So minus 10 into minus 2 is 20 and 3 into 3 is 9. So 20 by 9. Okay. Now my beta plus gamma is minus 3 and beta gamma is 20 by 9. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out beta minus gamma whole square. Beta minus gamma whole square using the formula beta plus gamma whole square minus 4 beta gamma. Now what is my beta plus gamma? Here you can see that beta plus gamma is minus 3 and beta gamma is 20 by 9. So I'm going to substitute that. What is minus 3 whole square? 9, and 4 into 20 it's 80 by 9. So for 9 minus 80 by 9. So if I'll take LCM, I'd get 9 into 9 minus 80. What is 9 nines are? 81 minus 81. So ultimately this would be nothing but 1 by 9. This would be nothing but 1 by 9. Beta minus gamma whole square is 1 by 9. And so beta minus gamma is going to be plus or minus 1 by 3. It's going to be plus or minus 1 by 3, okay? Because 1 by 9, I can write it as 1 by 3 whole square. So basically, beta minus gamma will ultimately be come out as plus or minus 1 by 3. So I have two cases, okay? When beta minus gamma is 1 by 3 and when beta minus gamma is minus 1 by 3. I need to solve for both the cases, okay? We know that beta plus gamma is minus 3. Initially, we got it. And beta plus gamma is minus 3, same thing. Just put beta minus gamma is 1 by 3 here, beta minus gamma is minus 1 by 3 here. Now let's do addition here. If I'll add, gamma and minus gamma will get cancelled. Beta plus beta is 2 beta. 2 beta is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 3. And here, gamma and minus gamma will get cancelled. 2 beta is equal to minus 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now if I'll take LCM, see, this would be minus 3 into 3 would be minus 9 plus 1, which would be minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3. 2 beta will be minus 8 by 3. Here, same thing. Minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So beta will be minus 4 by 3. And when beta is minus 4 by 3, gamma will be minus 5 by 3. If you will put it here, you will get the value of gamma. Now here when beta is minus 5 by 3, gamma is going to be minus 4 by 3. It's just ulta, okay? So when beta is minus 4 by 3, gamma is minus 5 by 3. When beta is minus 5 by 3, gamma is minus 4 by 3. It's fine. It's like name is irrelevant. Ultimately, we basically got that the roots are minus 4 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. These are the other two roots. What was my first root? Minus 3 by 2. Hence, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 3, and minus 5 by 3 are the roots of the given equation. Thank you very much for staying with me until here. Not just this question, I have made solutions to many more questions from the chapter of theory of equations. Okay, I'll keep the link for the playlist in the description. And if you like this video solution, please hit the like button. If this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Once again, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher.